What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights to the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. A salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. So we got a obviously banger right now. Shiba Inu and the rest of the crypto market is pumping today. Now we're going to do some technical analysis as well as break down some things going on with the token that you should know about. So first off, let's start looking at the chart. Looking at the Shiba Inu chart right now, we can see the price is at that 1272 level, up 8.3%. But I want to zoom out even further and look at the health of the overall cryptocurrency market. So this is a number I've been telling y'all to track right here. We can see the global crypto market cap is at $1.06 trillion. We watch this number fluctuate all the way up to like 1.9, back down to 1.2 or 1.02. You know, this gives you an idea of how much money is coming into the crypto market and how much money is leaving out. So we can see yesterday was around 1.02. So we can see about $0.04 trillion came back into the crypto market overnight, or 5.1%. Trending right now, we got dogecoin, Casper, and Shiba Inu. Really good to see that one of our favorite tokens is trending right now. So actually two of our favorite tokens. Let's take a look at the overall market right now, starting with the grandfather that started it all, which is Bitcoin. $21,375 right now, up 5.3% on the day and up 3.72% for the week. So this is, really good. Prices are giving us some solid, momentum right now, which I think we could possibly break into a mini bull run before the end of the year. That would be really exciting to see. So Ethereum at 1658, up 7.7% on the day, absolutely pumping so far. The highest gainer in the top list right now. We got BNB, another one of my favorites, at $355.59, up 4.7%, but up 20% for the week, y'all. This is one you can never let slip. Of course, we know what's up with these other ones, but BNB is very cheap right now, considerably for where it will be in the future. So keep an eye on that one. XRP up to 50 cents, up 9.5% on the day and up 6% for the week. This is why you don't get afraid when you see those dips in the market. You don't allow yourself to get shaken out, because that's what they want you to do. They want you to see the prices go lower and get afraid, and then paper hand out of your position. And guess what? They come buy your position up for cheap. So we got Doge at $12 12 cents, up 5.1% right now, up 51% on the week. Solid projects. I try to break the understanding down to y'all each video. If it's a solid project, good fundamentals, strong community, then just because the price pulled back does not mean it won't return one day. If you see one of those projects like that, dip really far and everything is still fundamentally the same with the project, then that's an opportunity to get, some nice gains. We got Cardano up at 42 cents right now, up 8.3% on the day, up 6% for the week. Then we got Solana at $34.61, up 10.9% for the day, up 8.2% for the week. And right now, we got somebody stealing the show, y'all. Polygon Matic is absolutely booming on the day. It's up to $1.25. We just seen this like around 70 cents. This is why I tell y'all, solid projects like this, if you haven't seen anything major change with it, take advantage of those discounts. Now we got it up 25.3% just today alone, up 32.4% over the last 7 days. Super bullish. So let's zoom in real quick. Take a look at Shiba Inu. Let's go on our candle chart. First thing we want to do is right away identify the trend. Of course, we can eyeball this and see that we're kind of in the uptrend, but I like to start with what most traders use when they're looking at technical analysis, and that is the VWAP. It stands for volume weighted average price. So it's basically rounding up the price for us based on volume and giving us the average price that people are paying. And as long as we can see the candlesticks above that VWAP line, that tells us that we're moving in an uptrend. When the price is above or below the VWAP line, we know that we're trading in a downtrend. So when we use this VWAP, we want to use it for intraday levels. So you want to be on like that 1 hour chart, something like that. You could possibly even use it on the 4 hour. But I like it on the 1 hour better. So let's delete these bands so we can get one simple line. And right now we can see the price is trading above the VWAP, which shows that, we're likely to still continue this momentum upwards. Of course, it could break down, but, then we start looking for a key support level. So we got some support right here around that 1234 level, give or take a little bit, again around that 1223 level. But then we'll try to look at some of our, we'll look left in the chart to look at some of our previous areas of resistance, because previous areas of resistance become new support. Notice how we were seeing resistance over here in this area, and we were seeing resistance breaking above this. It was a little hard to get above this area, but once we made this candle and broke above it, the same area we had trouble breaking above became our new support area. So I want y'all to keep that in mind. So good sign right there. Also, let's take a look at our moving average, and then we want to use the moving average to get a 200-day outlook, so we can see you know, how on average how has the price been moving over the last 200 days. So we can see we're trading above the 200-day moving average, which is a strong signal for investors and traders to know that it's either a support level. So you can use this line here as a support level or a resistance level if the price is trading below it. But see, we're above the VWAP and we're above the 200-day moving average, which is very, very bullish. Also, if we take a look at volume on, you know, if we go to the day chart, we can see volume is picking up as well. We do have a convergence in slightly the price pushing up slightly while volume kind of tapering off a little bit, but we do have bigger volume in, so likely we could find a support level and then continue to move on from there. So keep that 11 level in mind, maybe low 12s, somewhere around that mid 11s or low 12 level. You know, the price could wick around. Let's go back to that 1 hour chart. Then let's look at our RSI. If we grab the RSI, we can see that this is at a 59 level right now. We know that 70 and above is considered overbought. 35 and below is considered oversold. So right now we're in that middle range, you know, where, you know, the price isn't yet overbought or oversold. So, you know, we don't have an obvious direction just yet. But, you know, this is still a bullish sign that we have a lot more meat on the bone where the price could push up to, you know, higher levels. Like if we look here on the 4th, we see, what is this right here? So this is, okay, so this was, though, that movement we seen earlier. So on November 1st and today on the 4th, we seen the RSI break above that 70 level where it became overbought. Notice how when the price broke above this 70 level outside of here, we can see it reflected in the chart. Once it broke above it, it peaked at that 1367 level, but then it started to sell off until it found support around the previous resistance area to make that new support line. So this is why you want to know all these indicators so you can understand how to use them together to, you know, determine what's likely to happen. Now, if we pull back, like I said, I see maybe the mid 11s, low 12 levels, but I do still think Shiba Inu is in a mini rally. We got a lot of bullish news coming with Ethereum. People are really excited for, you know, waiting for this to happen. And also the overall crypto market is doing well right now also. So remember, when Ethereum is doing well, Shiba Inu most likely will receive some sympathy from that. Also, when the overall markets is doing well, Shiba Inu could receive sympathy from that as well. So let's take a look at one more thing before we get out of here. We got the Shiba Inu Twitter page. So that last post that's pinned was about the Shiba Eternity card game, but we just got a post saying leash is blank. So we've been getting these, you know, shib is, leash is, you know, blank posts for this last week, and I just want to come in here and show y'all, you know, what some people are saying. I want your opinion on what do you think about leash. Also, let's quickly take a look at leash and bone. Okay, leash up 5% at $380, and we got bone at 108, up 4% right now. So leash is someone, you know, we gonna always have those people who not happy with what's going on, but this guy said trash. Someone says for the dog. Someone else says pretty useless except if you want an NFT. So you know, people are, you know, not happy right now with the utility behind leash, and that's not everyone. Some people look at it just from the investment standpoint. We understand that leash will be a lot bigger one day, and some people just, you know, aren't happy with the fact that it's not receiving more utility. See, we got somebody here saying scam. Someone says, that's what I was waiting for. So far, Shiboshis are only good for earning passive income from the Shiba Eternity game after Shibarium hits. Otherwise, just another useless NFT like most of them. Someone else says Shibarium. Someone else says power. Someone else says, so we just got hit with a little storm of, negative responses back to back, but don't let that phase y'all. But we got the rocket emojis, undervalue, the teaser to treat. Someone says confusing. Someone dropped the heart emoji. Someone says dollar. Someone says just stop tweeting unless it's about Shibarium. So, eventually I think, the community is going to get this update we want on Shibarium that everyone is looking for. So when it happens, SHIB's price most likely 9 times out of 10 will start to pump hard. So you want to make sure you're already secured in your position. If you don't have the bag size you want, you should probably be dollar cost averaging to get that position size up. But remember, this is not financial advice. You got to do your own due diligence. And that's it, man. Check the links in the description section of this video. I got 3 courses available: my stock options trading course, my technical analysis course, and my crypto 101 course. If you're interested in any one of those, reach out to me via email, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.